Hey everyone, I'm so happy to see you on my channel again. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And in this lesson, I'm going to talk about the words that start with letter G. Actually, I divided the words into two groups. So in this case, the first letter G is pronounced not like G, but as G. Sound is G here. So let's read it together. Galaxy, galaxy, galaxy. Garage or garage. So both options are correct. Garage, garage, or garage. Okay. Gather, 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 gather. Ghost. So in this case, the second letter, H, is silent. Ghost, ghost, ghost. Okay, the next one is glacier, glacier. It's not C here, glacier, glacier. Okay, next one, global, 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 goal, goal. And the last one is gorgeous, gorgeous. She's gorgeous means very beautiful or attractive, attractive, drop dead gorgeous. Okay. As you've noticed, the first letter in all words are pronounced like G. G. Now let's take a look at the second row. So in this case, the words also start with the letter G and is pronounced like J. J. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Gigantic. Yes, gigantic, gigantic. Next one, gesture, gesture, gesture. Hand gestures, facial gestures, gesture. When we talk, we actually use our hand gestures and facial gestures. Okay, the next one is genius, genius, genius. This one, genuine, genuine, genuine. And this one is genre, genre, genre. Yes. And when it comes to the next one, genetic, 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 genetically. Last but not least, generosity, generosity. It's a personality, generosity. Okay, let's review all the words one more time. If you want to, you can repeat after me. So, galaxy, garage, garage, gather, ghost, glacier, global, goal, gorgeous, and next, giraffe, gigantic. Gigantic means very big, huge, enormous. Gesture, gesture. Genius, genuine, genuine, genre, genre, genetic, generosity, generosity. Yeah, actually, repetition is the mother of all skills. So by repeating the words or expressions, phrasal verbs, slangs, idioms, you're going to be good at English. That is the reason how I became better at English and how my pronunciation is getting better and better day by day. So try to exaggerate, try to stretch the vowels and try to exaggerate the words when you hear. Don't be shy and don't be afraid of making mistakes. This is rule number 1. If you're afraid of making mistakes, so you're not going to get better. And remember, forget about perfectionism. Nothing is perfect. So that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.